Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about ChatGPT. Here we go to Forcestop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.